again. This is Cat Fan Comics Man back with another AOK. And it's a new day. Now today's AOK is for Wednesday, the 20th, I think. I'm not sure. But had two on Monday, one on Tuesday, and now I got one on Wednesday. Now this one I wasn't expecting, so it's a surprise. At least I don't think I was expecting it. I don't remember. You told about it. Boy. I'll just rip the puppy open. That's what I'll do. Okay, let's see here. Ah, there's a note. Catman. Batman. Batman. Catman. Catman. Batman. Oh. I'm going to cut that out. Season. Oh. It's got a Grogu. Hallmark. Star Wars Mandalorian. I didn't know they made Star Wars Hallmark cards. Season's greetings. Cat fan. May you find your way to every tasty treat all holiday long. Hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year's. Nate. Thank you. I am going to post his information across the screen right about now, so you can find out and sub him up. He is a great member of the community. He's always been a great person to me and a great friend to me. He's really, really great. And he posts a lot on Instagram and YouTube. And he's one of the nicest guys you will ever meet. He's one of the people I've known the longest in the community, along with Trev and Jonathan from Collectibles to Astonish, and Brian LCS, and even way back to all the way back to Economics and Comics Bill. God, that's been a long time ago, before I even thought of having a channel. Okay, here we go. First up, that's just a thick book. Ooh, I don't have this. Batman, 3 Jokers. Book 2, Black Label. I don't even have this, okay? Oh, wow. Issue number 1, Marvel Comics Team America. I've never heard of it. I'm interested in this now. I'm going to have to read up on that. You might see this in a Daily Comic and Collectible, because that's new. I've never... Ooh! Issue number 33 of Ice Cream Man. Then we have Teen Plus. Yeah, you can say that. Free Comic Book Day. Red Sonja from Dynamite. Yeah, that's definitely Teen Plus. And last, but certainly not least, Dawn of DC. Hawk Girl #1. Eat your heart out, Trev. Eat your heart out. Eat your heart out, Trev. Eat your heart out. Hashtag DC for life. It's Hot Girl #1. Eat your heart out, Trev. I'm in a mood today. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Nate. Oh my gosh. I didn't even mention the name of his channel. It's NATRIX. I'm sorry. It's already posted across the screen, so you already know what it is, but I just completely slipped my mind to even say, duh, it's NATRIX. I don't think right sometimes. But plus it's the holiday season and my mind's all over the place anyway, so. But I want to thank you, Nate. This was awesome. It was so nice of you. I wasn't even expecting this. It was a total surprise. And thank you so much. And Merry Christmas to you. And I wish I had the money to send everybody out there an A-OK. I'll just admit it. I'm a po-ho. Okay? I'm just a po-ho. And that's just the way it is. But when I get a chance, I do send them. But it's not very often. So, but anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. The last couple of these has been kind of long because they've been huge boxes or I've gone on a tangent. So I'll try to keep this one a little bit shorter. But again, in the description below, go to It's NATRIX and sub him up. He's a great member of our community, and I think all of our community, we need to sub each other. It should just be mandatory because we're just a big happy family. And with that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go ahead and leave a message down below what you thought of my comics and all that. And other than that, this is Cat Fan Comics Man, and I'll catch you on the flip. Over and out.